Hey guys, this time is pets. This little pet mouse, computer mouse, it's Razer Deathadder Essential. Nice, not small mouse with a nice green box. I'm just kidding. So let's open it up. This time I'm not going to try to actually rip anything off, because sometimes I remember once I ripped the whole box, which is not very good of me, you know, but still. So, box for gamers by gamers. Wow. Yuppie, I have a sticker! And some information. And a cable. We have a cable. With cable management rubber. Nice. Thank you. It's a braided cable. And interesting, they put even a cap on the USB. And the USB is green. Wow. Okay. The cable, by the way, is quite long. So if your computer is far away, you still have enough cable to connect your mouse to it. And the mouse, well, it's not the most shiny, bright, bling thing in the world. It's just a regular mouse with 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons and a wheel button, which has whites on it. And I guess the logo will white in green as well. Nah, the box has it all. Okay guys, feels okay. We'll see. Bye.